What's up, you guys, and welcome to another day in Vlogmas. So I just finished doing therapy with Audrey in Circle Time, and I got an email last week from her school. They're doing a winter food drive for a lot of families, and children that are in need, that were very affected by the pandemic. So today I am going to be cleaning out my pantry so I can donate some food items to the children and families in need at Audrey's school. So during this pandemic, we were actually, we were very blessed to be able to stay afloat, during everything. Dre, he was considered one of the essential workers still, so he was still working and we were able to, get by. So I want to give back, and I know it's been really hard for a lot of families during this whole situation. So I want to do everything that I can, because I know a lot of families were really, going through a lot and weren't able to stay afloat. So I have a lot of food in my pantry, so I really want to give back to these families. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Cleaning out the pantry, trying to see what we can donate. I'm going to show you guys the mess that I have in my pantry anyway. So let's head to the kitchen so I can show you guys what I got going on in there. So I'm going to be going through all of these canned goods and everything up here. Dre actually said that he would help me once he gets back. But all of this stuff up here, we have a lot of canned goods. So I figure I can go ahead and donate them to families that are in need right now. So we're definitely going to tackle this. And also all of this stuff that I have up here, cereals and oatmeals and things that are life sustainable. So we're going to be giving some pasta, some cereals, some canned goods, just going through this whole mess. This is actually driving me up a wall insane, because I like to have my pantry organized, and ours it's gotten out of hand. So I'm gonna pull a lot of this food out so we can go ahead and donate it, because my kids they're not cereal eaters and stuff like that. So like, they snack on it here and there, but I'm gonna go ahead and go through this, get some of that food out of here. We went grocery shopping last week, so I can actually take care of this and get that inside of my pantry. This is what I told you guys that I was going to be working on. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And I think we also have like food over here in my other closet, in juices and all types of stuff, where I usually keep our Christmas decorations and things like that. Like, I have some cereal and juices like up in here too, so we're gonna address that today. Definitely gonna tackle that, go through this stuff. So I think this is basically gonna be like another vlog of me trying to get my house in order. We're really trying to get my kitchen in order, because I also need to clean out the refrigerator from Thanksgiving food. After a while you get tired of eating Thanksgiving food. Ours has just really been sitting in there after like 2 to 3 days. Most people, if you're like me, you get tired of it. So I actually need to go through the refrigerator, clean out food in there to make some space. So that's what we're doing today, y'all. Let's get this stuff up out of here so we can donate it. All right, y'all, I had to make a smoothie because I'm like, I don't even really know where to start. I guess I'll start at the top of the pantry and just work my way down. So here we go, y'all. Anyway, this is all of the stuff that we pulled out of the pantry to donate. A lot of canned goods, a lot of cereals, some pasta, juices, all of that stuff. My kids are bougie kids and they don't eat cereal. They only eat it for a snack. And Mila always got to eat her cereal separate from her milk. So this is everything that I'm gonna bag up and drop it off at Audrey's school. Well, Dre gotta drop it off. That's your next task. You hear me? So let me go ahead and bag up all of this stuff. Gotta be ghetto, y'all. Only got trash bags to put the food in. Hopefully it holds. Hopefully. I'm gonna try not to. These got sharp corners. And these ain't the good trash bags. So I am actually going to go ahead and drop the stuff off before she starts occupational therapy in like an hour. Luckily her school is really, really close to the house, so it's not gonna be too bad. I like for her school to be really close when she was going to school, just in case anything happened, you know, I can get to her school very, very quickly without any issues. So her school is basically like around the corner from our house. So that's where I am on my way to now. I think we ended up with like 8 or 9 bags or something of food. I didn't want to pack them too heavy just in case, you know, they broke or anything like that. Say hi, Beta.
Hi, Mommy. Hi.
Be careful. What are you doing, Beta?
It's my work.
Little Beta. I just wanted to show y'all. Get Mila in the vlog because I know y'all be looking for her too. Beta. You gotta go potty?
I want to go potty.
You don't want to go potty?
No.
Okay, don't go potty on yourself.
This is castle. Come on, Mommy. Sit down.
You want to build your castle?
Okay. I build this.
What did you say? You build a castle?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, I'm back home from donating all of the food at Adriana's school, and I'm about to cook dinner. Actually, it's a couple hours later. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and close the vlog out here so I can feed my family and, you know, wind down for the rest of the day. So hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Vlogmas, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.